Today we're making beer cheese dip. It's beer, it's cheese, it's dip, it's amazing. And to enjoy our beer cheese dip, we're going to make a flat kind of bannock bread right on the coals. Now, beer cheese dip is something you can enjoy anywhere, but I've actually taken it backcountry camping, where I've frozen the cheeses and wrapped them in newspaper, put them in my pack, and then 2 or 3 days later, while sitting around a campfire, you're eating beer cheese dip. It's amazing, you're gonna love it. Let's do it. So this recipe is super easy. All you need is a skillet, and into that skillet you're going to put 3 cups of shredded cheddar, 1 brick of cream cheese, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, a pinch of salt, a pinch of paprika, and a cup of beer. Now, you can just slice the cheddar if you don't have a shredder, and I like to add, just because I'm fancy, a little green onion on top. So we're just gonna mix up the beer and the cheese, and then we're gonna cover the skillet with foil so that we can have a nice even melt on that. So this is what we use to make our flatbread or bannock, and here is 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. To that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, and then just enough water to make a nice dough that isn't sticky. Now you let the dough rest for maybe 10 minutes, and then you can divide it up into balls and put it on your coals. So you're going to divide that dough up into 4 or 5 little balls, and then just flatten it out because the coals will cook it very quickly. So you want it flat so it cooks before it burns, right? So after we've flattened our bread, we're just going to put it right on the coals. Right? And sure, you might get a piece of charcoal stuck on there, but that's just going to give you that really great smoky flavor. So after a minute or 2, you can just flip it over. You can see it's getting nice and brown. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can send you more. Bye!